Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a calculator using ChatGPT. So guys, at first just go to the ChatGPT website. Now in the bottom message bar, search for make a calculator using HTML. I'm just using HTML. You can try another language. You need to just hold on for the code to finish. Here you can see the code is finished. Now just simply copy the code, clicking here copy code. Now if you want to see the calculator how it actually looks like, now just open another tab and in the search bar search for HTML file. Now just go to the very first website, W3 Schools. Now just scroll down and here you can see the green try it yourself option. Click on it. After clicking it, press it here and click on the paste button. Click on run in the top right green one. After clicking it, here you can see the calculator is ready. Now you can just check it is actually right or wrong. Here you can see it is providing the right thing. So guys, that's how you can create a real calculator using ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.